Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura Impresa E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to open the entire machine. The Impresa E8 is one of those older models that you still have to go to the back of the machine in order to remove the brew unit that's inside this machine. So we had to open up this whole cover, which is pretty easy, but we also have to open up this side and then go through the back to remove two big screws that hold out the entire brew unit. Once we do that, we remove the brew unit, service it, replace the O-rings, lubricate it, make sure everything's in good condition, put it back together, and then test the machine. After that, we do a descaling cycle, and then we do other tests and give it a little clean all around it. So yeah, that's what we did. We also clean as well with the grinder too. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. Then gonna be using the hot water and then the steam of this machine. Now that would be pre-infusion, that would be extraction, and we're expecting to see at least 1.5 ounces of liquid, which is exactly where it stopped at, 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces, with a little bit of crema on the top as well. Good. Working excellent. Great shot of espresso. Looking great, even though we're using our test coffee. Hot water for this machine, as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the one, working excellent. And now we're going to be testing the steamer function of this machine. As the steamer starts to get purged from the previous use, you're going to see an increase of steam, as you can see right there. And as the thermal block gets hotter, you can see more steam coming out of the one just like this. Excellent pressure. Incredibly great pressure coming out of the steam well. Looking great. So there you have it, Impresa E8 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.